Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Steam on Windows 10. So first of all, open up any kind of browser like Google Chrome I'm using and search for Steam, and here you can see the official website. The link of Steam is being showed to you, and if you click on that, now here you'll be able to see that install the Steam option. And after clicking on that, here you can see the install Steam. You need to click on that. Now download dialog will pop up. If you are using IDM or if you're using Opera Mini or any kind of browser, if you don't use extension, it will automatically download it. And you guys need to find the file location where it's actually located and you have downloaded. Okay, so after that, open up, and here you can see it's the installation file. You guys need to select the language of the software. Okay, and you guys need to select the directory. I'm just selecting. Okay, and now I have you can see that it's installed and it's being updating the Steam, and it will take your data. Okay, you guys need to wait a few seconds to get this done. So I hope you guys understand how you can download and install Steam in your desktop. So if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.